what's up everybody? So I'm back again with another Unity tutorial, specifically again with the Invector controller. I think some of this stuff will still apply to like other characters if you're not using Vector, but for the most part, I would say this is going to be more useful if you're using the Invector controller. Uh, but yeah, basically, my friends from work again helped me out with how to move my gun into my character's hand. Um, and for this one, instead of like recreating the tutorial with the information I got, I actually just kind of recorded myself and them while they were showing me through. So huge shout out to my buddy Angelo and also Amar, who was supervising. And we had some pretty funny conversations in it too. So which is one of the main reasons I wanted to use it as is, and instead of going through and kind of recreating it myself, because we just had a good time doing this. It was a lot of fun, and you know, this is one of the reasons I'm able to actually learn this, because I have people to actually work with who know how to do this and show me, which is awesome. Because I know, um, a lot of people out there do not have it, and it's tough if you're just searching through YouTube, trying to find tutorials and stuff. Like, it's been way easier to just ask someone who knows and have them walk through it with me than try to search for specific issues or things on YouTube. But I wanted to add this information as I'm learning it to my channel, because it's the main reason that I make videos. The main reason I make videos is to share the knowledge that I'm learning with others, and hopefully help people along the way who may not have as many resources as I have right now to learn this stuff. Um, so anyway, without further ado, we'll get into it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you are enjoying all the stuff that you've been seeing on my channel, I appreciate you guys subscribing and liking the video. Uh, yeah, until next time.
Default handler, bro.
Oh, we're on the right
Default
side?
on the
In the
left side.
left side.
Left side, left side. In here, in
Yeah,
the
you
hierarchy?
see it
Handler,
says
you go
right
there.
hand. Yeah, right hand, right handlers, and then default handler.
All the way in the bottom. There.
Handlers, yeah, right hand, right handlers.
The defaults, click it and see where it's at. Yep, you want to move that, but then you don't want to stop playing. Like, move it where you need it.
Can I rotate this thing?
You could, yes, and then you're gonna have to go back and fix the IK afterwards.
Is it not supposed to rotate? Like, I'm gonna mess this all up.
That's why you have plastic. No, that's the pan. Okay, your default handler is all screwed up. Here's what you do: get out of play mode, go into the character, see where the default handler actually is in the prefab, and then move it into the correct position that you want it, like roughly as close as you can get it.
Can I like search him for something? Can I like search for handler over here?
Yeah.
Let's look
Okay,
for default.
default handler. This guy.
Yeah, I think there's two though, isn't there two? Yeah, there's one for the left and one for the right, so make sure you got the right one.
Oh,
Also, switch your scene. You're in game mode, yeah. And then press F to focus in. And then clear your search. Just the little X. Yep. That's your right hand, so you want to move it actually into your hand. Why isn't your character in the T pose?
I don't know, man.
That might affect it. And then do the same to your left.
Turn on your gizmos. You'll be able to see the gun. On the top right.
The gizmos.
In your.
It's a
Yeah.
sword.
Oh yeah, see everything's set up for a T pose. So you're good. Just move everything correctly, like Look out how weird that
Oh,
red
there
gun
is
is.
like a little red gun there.
Yeah.
You gotta rotate it as well.
Yeah.
You just want it to be a little
But
bit, not
the way
that.
Invector works is supposed to be you're changing the clip, change the default the parent shooter weapon crazy.
Oh my god. Did I
You're
did I
look on the
mess
left
that
side.
all up? I messed that all up, didn't I?
Mm,
Yeah, my
yeah,
clip's all
control
jacked
D
up.
that shit.
There we go.
There you go.
Okay.
Now click the shooter weapon on the left side.
Ah,
Where'd it
this
go?
is
All right, all the way
ridiculous.
down, all the way, all the way, all the way. Last one. Oh, too much.
Rifle
One up.
preview? Shooter weapon?
That one. Yeah.
Oh god. So, how is this supposed to be rotated? Like this? Or is it supposed to like be like in his actual hand, like the way it's supposed to look
In
in his
his
hand?
hand. Yeah, like in his palm.
Okay. So like it should actually look like how it would be if he was holding it.
Yeah. As close as you can get, and then you can fine tune it later with the IK. But if you imported the character correctly, he would be in a T pose, and then you wouldn't have to reset all this, or at least you wouldn't have to reset it as much.
Yeah, let's just assume that I did absolutely nothing the right way.
Okay.
But that's pretty close. I mean,
Yeah. No, I think a little bit more down. Like picture his index finger is gonna go on the trigger, so like I would move it just slightly more down.
I messed this
I'm
up.
nitpicking though.
Can I?
You're in a pan. You're in a pan. Stop panning. Yeah. Yeah. Something like that.
Better?
Yeah.
Alright.
Now, interesting thing. So now when you hit play and you test it, if there's slight adjustments you need to do in a certain position, go ahead and move it in play mode. Then go over to the component, the transform component, hit copy component, and then get out of play mode, go back in, and then paste it.
Alright. I mean, that's actually not even that bad. I mean,
Now, one more thing. Go while you're in play mode, click your player, and then after this, you should be golden.
wait. Click my player over here?
No, your player in the hierarchy.
I don't even know where he is.
Probably in right there, soldier.
Oh yeah, there he is.
Yeah, click him, the parent of him, like the main base. Yep, and then look for third-person shooter or manager or melee. It's one of those ones. Might be controller. No, you're looking for IK. IK adjust. So it should be right there. IK adjust. Scroll down, edit IK adjust list. Little button. Yep, and then now go into the scene view. And hide your gizmos. Yep. Okay. Now click. Fix your camera a little bit. Now you see that left hand left hint, and then right hand right hint right on the side of that red button down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click the right hand, the one all the way on the left.
The right hand right or right hand
Yeah.
hint?
No, the hint I think is elbow. So you want the right. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
And now pull that away somewhere where you want. This saves automatically. Yep. Now, this is your idle. So if you want to see how he's going to look when you aim, hit that button on the top that says lock aim. And now adjust that position too.
Alright. Cool.
And then you would do the same with the left button or the elbow. So like if you don't have to click the button, you could just click that little elbow dot, the green one.
Like
And you could
that?
like move his elbows out and stuff.
Oh, okay.
On board, Peter, please.
He's good. He's got it. And then you know what you do? Bring the right hand back. It's too extended.
The right hand. This
Yeah.
hand?
No, your right hand. That's your left hand.
Oh,
When you're
yeah.
on board,
I'm
Peter.
alright.
Just a little bit. Okay. Now pick up his elbow. That one. Yep.
It's going
A
to
little
be the
more
eye.
out. Whatever
Honestly,
looks like it to you.
having your elbow out like that is absolutely just terrible form for shooting. Your elbow should actually be tucked down as low as possible like this.
I know, but as a game developer, you go what looks good
I
because
know,
if you
but
try to go realistic,
as a coach in the Marine Corps, that just irks me. Like
I actually
I
shoot
would
with my
smack
elbow out.
somebody. I would smack somebody if I see them with their elbow out like that.
I actually shoot. I don't go that out, but I do come out a little bit. I don't
Ah,
keep.
it's
I don't keep it tucked.
so terrible. Like horrible,
And
horrible habit. Can I
then you
rotate my
gotta rotate.
hand?
Yeah, you can rotate. Whoa.
Not exactly what I was going for. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, it worked out. Yeah,
Yeah, that worked. That worked. Cool.
yeah. And
All
then
right.
now bring your left elbow, get that little bit of a bend, and you should start looking a bit more normal now.
What did I
Some weird
do?
way. No, it's just because his hand's too extended.
Oh. Yeah, for sure.
Oh.
All right.
And then go in game mode. Let's see how it looks. I'm curious. Hey, better.
Why am I stuck? Oh, I'm stuck aiming because I locked my
Yeah.
aim.
Yeah. And you can do now when you do the IK, it's gonna be different for crouching and aiming, normal crouching, normal idle, and aiming. They all have different IK lists.
Yeah, that elbow's
You
gotta go. I can't. That's oh my god. Not in my game.
you
Uh-uh.
you you see that weapon IK adjust list right there in the list? It says bot, VBot or something.
Yeah, yeah. MP
Yeah.
weapon adjust list VBot.
Yeah. So that's your actual list, and then it says state rifle. So every time you get a new weapon, it's gonna have a different state, pistol, whatever,
Okay, so I
and
can adjust it per weapon. I'm gonna have to
per
play
weapon.
around with this for sure.
Yeah, that the IK system is gonna be a long time learning.
Yeah. But already that's way better.
Yeah. Now it's not floating away.
Very cool. All right, thank you.
Yep.
That's my lesson for today. I won't waste any more time.
Remember, IK is the only thing that automatically. If you're actually moving anything else other than an IK, like a game object, you're gonna have to in play mode copy the transform component and then get out of play mode, go into that object and paste it in that same
So
transform
that's why I
component.
had to like do that when you and George were showing me how to fix the button. I had to like go out of play mode, copy what I did, and then paste it back in.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, but the IK for some reason that saves even while you're playing.
That saves the data while you're playing, yeah.
Very cool. All right, all right. Very cool. Looks like I have another little YouTube video to make now too.
That one's interesting, the IK. Now, once you get really good, there's something I've always wanted to do. Add other IK assets on top that would add finger movements and add certain joints. It'll be a lot more dynamic, I guess you would say. So
That's
that's
crazy.
definitely something to look into once you get really good with the IK.
All right. Cool.